Okay, I've got this Heyaxa water filter here. It says it comes with a multi-function filter cartridge. It's got makes great tasting water. You can use it in your tea and coffee to improve the quality of it, the taste of it. Reduces lime scale that may build up in your domestic water systems. It says it's eco-friendly and economic as well. Okay, here's everything that came in the box. It's got the lid for this thing. Got the place for the filter that goes down in there. It's the inside of it. Then it comes with the spout, the spigot, so we'll put that on there. And it comes with the water filter as well. I'll go ahead and install this. Crank that down real good. Now when you fill it up with water and it gets filtered, you just go like that to pour it, and it snaps back. See? Or you can put it all the way down and fill it up. I'll put this back on there. Now I'll take the filter and install it. There's something we got to do right before we put it in. Remove it from the packaging, soak it for 12 minutes, and then rinse it 2 to 3 times under the faucet, and then we'll install it. I'm soaking this for 12 minutes. All right, after we soaked it for 12 minutes, it just goes right in here. Now you can just fill it up with water and it'll filter down. So let's see how this thing works. Really, you don't even have to take the top off because you got this here. Fill it right down through there, close the lid, let it filter.